Good morning, students. Today we learn about chapter number 1, exercise chapter number 1, Rajput age, new rulers and states. In this we talk about exercise question number 1, answer the following question in one sentence. That is short question. Who built Rani Ki Vav? Rani Udaymati built the world famous stepwell Rani Ki Vav. Question number 2, where did the rulers of Chauhan dynasties initially ruled? The rulers of Chauhan dynasty initially ruled in different parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. One of the branches of these rulers ruled in Shakambari in the 8th century. Question number 3, who founded Anihal Patan? Vanraj Chawda founded Anihal Patan on the bank of the river Saraswati in 756 AD. Who was the last ruler of Waghela dynasty? Karan Dev Waghela was the last ruler of Waghela dynasty around 1304 AD. Question number 2. Write short notes on the following characteristic of the Rajputs. That is most important. The Rajputs are fine, brave men and retain the feudal instinct strongly developed. Pride of blood is the chief characteristic, and they are most punctual on all point of etiquette. Rajput were recognized for the bravery, faithfulness and royalty. They were the warriors who fought in battle and take care of the governing functions. They kept their promise even at the cost of lives. They never practiced uprightness even in battle. Rajputs were great fighter. Fighting was the dharma. They valued specific qualities and ideals. They were large-hearted and generous. They took pride in their descent. They were brave and self-respecting. They gave shelter to the refugee and their vanished foes. They were very loyal. They were somewhat they hot and emotion. Chapter 2, Trade and Commerce during the Rajput era. There was a separate department for taking care of commerce-related matter in the Rajput era. This department used to make arrangement for collection of tax over the foreign trade, decide the value of things and purchase essential commodities required in the state. Main source of tax collection was land revenue, which was 1/6 part of the production in Rajput era. Land tax was known as Bag. Revenue was also collected from ports, checkpost and irrigation. Satam Bhit and Bhrugu Kutch. Khambat and Bhrugu Kutch ports of Gujarat were famous for foreign trade. At the time, agriculture was the mainstay of the people. The Rajputs dug out canals, tanks and collected rainwater in artificial lakes for purpose of irrigation. Dams were also raised. Irrigation facilities improved agriculture and the economical conditions of the cultivator. Sometimes they have suffered at the hands of some autocrated feudal chiefs. Land revenue was the chief source of income, and it was determined under a set formula depending upon the fertility of the soil, irrigation facility, etc. Land revenue was paid mainly in farmer produce, a part in cash, gift, fines, minerals, forest and leased outlands were additional source of income. These are the additional source of income. So in next video we continue our exercise portion.